Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Thank God.
Oh, profanity words can't post this on YouTube now.
You think when the song is this bad, you saying something stupid is gonna make it any worse?